Hello Michael and welcome to this video. My name is Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some information that you can use to boost the traffic to your website, so please feel free to use it. And please don't forget to give me some feedback towards the end of the video. So I will be covering the website, the front page, the Google Business Profile, as well as the backlinks. So let's start with your website. Here you have the click to call button, the email us button, and as well as the Facebook, link to the Facebook social media accounts. And you have down here the links to the different back pages and service areas and services that you provide as well. You have a little bit of an intro here of the company. You have very nice pictures and you have another contact us form down here. So in general terms, your front page could be improved. So for example, just consider having a look at the background image. Makes it a little bit hard to read. I would actually perhaps make the click to call button a little bit bigger, and I would add the contact us form here at the top. Then here, when you have all of these links, you can actually provide a little bit of a description of the services that you provide, because it's through content that you're able to push through more relevant value intent keywords, or basically what people search for in Google. And you can have here, let's have a look at, because everything that you have in here is considered content. So the images, the way you save them is important. So it looks like you are using keywords. So that's well done on that. You can have in the footer the directory of the website as well, and links to your social media accounts as well. Now, in terms of the amount of content, right now you have 354 words. If I have a look at one of your competitors, so City Plumbing, right now they are sitting around 233 words. So they actually have less content that you do, but they are managing to rank at the top. So it's just for Google. It's a good idea to have between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because Google likes to see content, and because through content is that you're able to push through these value intent keywords that I mentioned. So let's come here to the Google search. I type in Plumbers Odessa, Texas, and the first section is usually the Google Ads, which are really good at getting leads immediately. Now this section over here is what we call the Google Map Packs, or GBP, and to rank here you need optimized pictures in terms of size and geo coordinates, geotag. They have to be geotagged. You also need reviews, and you also need to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, because the name, address, and phone number need to be exactly the same as those in your Google Business Profile, so that Google can verify those details and can give you points so that you can rank at the top. Now the third section is what we know as the Google Organic Search, and here is where I found your competitor. So to rank here, you need something that we call backlinks, and to analyze that, I use a tool called Ahrefs, and in here I can see that your website, there are 25 external websites directing traffic towards your website through 196 backlinks. If I have a look at this guy, City Plumbing, these guys have 63 external websites directing traffic towards theirs through 373 backlinks. So definitely another opportunity there is just to have a look at this backlink profile, just making sure that those links that you have are sitting on websites that are relevant to the services and to the services that you provide and industry that you operate in, because this is a mechanism that you have to signal to Google that your website and that your company basically is an authority in that particular topic. Now, in terms of organic keywords, these are the organic keywords that your website is being found for. And I highlighted in here that you're actually ranking at the top for Plumbers Odessa, Rainbow Plumbing, because in here I have the search volume, so the number of times this keyword is searched for per month, and the position in which your Google, in which your website is appearing in the Google Organic Search. So anything beyond the 10th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, so it's going to be really hard to drive that traffic. But you can see that you are ranking in the top positions. Perhaps this one, Plumbers Midland, Texas, which has a search volume of 900, you are ranking in position 14. So perhaps just worth having a look at those keywords, just to make sure that you're actually targeting the right ones and the ones that have a higher search volume associated to them. If I have a look at city plumbing, these guys are being found for 276 keywords. And in here, they are ranking number 3 for Plumbers Odessa, Texas. And because of that, they were able to drive 100 visits to their website. So that's exactly the message. You want to identify what are those keywords that have a higher search volume, because those are the ones that you want to target in your website. And if you're already ranking for that particular keyword, then you want to build those backlink profiles to rank and to target that particular and specific keyword. So we cover the content. We also cover the Google Business Profile. This is an opportunity for you to explore, to try to rank here in these top 3 positions. And we also cover backlinks profile. So I really hope that you like the video. Please feel free to use this information, and please also don't forget to give me some feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.